Good morning, students. Today in this class that we are going to be discuss the new lesson The Gardener, which is written by P. Lankesh. So what is mean by gardener? A person who is working in a plantation or in a garden or in a grove. For that person we call it as gardener, right? So here in this lesson the four very important characters will be there. In between the two very important characters, whether they are in a competition or they are in a rivalry, so that we are going to be see in this lesson. Okay, so before we start the lesson, so let us discuss about the author, who is P. Lankesh. So P. Lankesh was born on 8 March 1935 in Konagavalli village of Shimoga district in our Karnataka. So he was an Indian poet, a fiction writer, also a playwright, and he is a translator and a screenplay writer, and also a journalist, and he wrote all these in Kannada language. He was also an award-winning film director. He completed his Master of Arts degree in English from Maharaja's College, which is in Mysore. So here, so this was about the author, and the story, as I said, The Gardener, which is written in Kannada language, and the story in Kannada was translated by H.S. Raghavendra Rao, who was born on 1948, who is a retired professor of Kannada, but the story Gardener he had translated in an English. Who? H.S. Raghavendra Rao. So let us see what the author wants to tell about the gardener in this lesson. So in the beginning, he is making a statement like that: elaboration can only impoverish this account and make it less authentic. Elaboration. What is mean by elaboration? So here it is a type of act of adding one information to the existing information. So just an example, one information will be there with you. If you are adding the another information with this existing information, then it will be elaborated, then it will be illustrated, or we can say here as commenting on one information. So elaboration can only impoverish. So impoverish means refers to here, it can be ruin or destroy. When he started elaborating a story, so one story has been made as a cutoff, one story has been breakdown. This account refers to a story. When he started to elaborate a story, the another story has been broke down, then the another story will be started, so that it will make less authentic. Authentic refers to a genuine or a legal or valid. Means here, when he started a story elaboration, when he made elaboration of a story by having a story, another story, when he started elaborating another story, then the before story which is having a valid, which is having a genuine, it has become less authentic, right? So I conceived this story in a flash. So here I refers to the narrator. Who is narrator here? P. Lankesh. So he conceived, he created or he developed. So he developed this story in a flash. In a flash refers to immediately or very quickly. Means very quickly he elaborated this story with another story. It has its genesis in my chance encounter with an old man. So it has, from where it has been take origin. Genesis means origin, means beginning, from where it has been beginning. So it has been beginning with the narrator's encounter with an old man. He was standing in a coconut grove near Chennarayapatna. So where he was standing? Who was standing there? The old man. Where? In coconut grove. Grove means plantation. In the coconut plantation, the old man is standing, which was located in Chennarayapatna. From there, this encounter will be begin. Means the story will be started. By that story, another story is going to be added later. Right? So, his eyes were suffused with strange memories and native intelligence. Whose eyes? The old man eyes. How was his eyes? It were suffused. Suffused means it has been covered with. Means the color of your face has been changed. Means he is having something on his face. Means it is looking like a dull. Right? So with strange memories. So strange memories refers to by looking to that man. So one can be tell that he is having something in his mind. So he is adopted with the deep thoughts by looking to that old man, and also with the native intelligence. So the sense of a person, the experience of a person, by looking to that person. So the narrator here, he can be judged that he is having some in dreaming in some another way, right? He stood there. Who? The old man. He stood there, a tall figure, hair gone grey, a long beak-like nose, and strong muscular arms. So the qualities of that man were discussed here. That a man, the old man, was standing towards there in that coconut plantation. He is a tall figure. By looking, he is very tall. And his hair has been gone grey because as he is old, and he is having a long beak-like nose like a crow. What he is having? The beak. Beak is nothing but a nose. He is having the long nose, and but still he is a old. But still he is having the muscular arms. He is having, his muscles are very good in manners. In one hand, a spade used to tend coconut trees. As the old man has been arrived in that plantation, what he is carrying? In one hand he is carrying a spade. Spade is nothing but it is a instrument or a tool from which we used for digging the earth or cutting the earth, or we can tell as cutting or tending the coconuts. That spade he is carrying with his one hand to used to tend coconut trees, means to cut the coconuts. A newspaper tucked under his arm. So in another hand, a newspaper which has been tucked, which has been folded or sticked in his under his arms. He was a laborer. So he is a employee or a worker. Who? The old man. And also he was a overseer. Overseer means a manager or a controller, one who can manage the things in very good manners, who can control the things. So who is controller or manager here? So here it is referred to as the old man. And also he is a philosopher. So philosopher means as he is a scholar who is having a knowledge in a topic, who is a intellectual, means he is having a knowledge of that agriculture work, who is having a knowledge of tending the coconuts, all that rolled into one. So all these activities has been rolled in one man. Who is that man? The old man. Okay. He came to this garden one day after walking hundreds of miles. Who came to the garden? The old man came to the garden one day. Which garden? Coconut garden. As he is walking hundreds of miles, the owner of this plantation needed a person exactly like him. A few words were exchanged. So the owner of that coconut plantation, he needed a man similar to the old man, the quality of that old man, as he is a overseer, a philosopher, and also he is a laborer there. He needs exactly like that old man. So the few words were exchanged between an old man and between the owner of that plantation. The old man stayed on, means the old man started work in that plantation. He started continuation of work in that plantation. Which plantation? Coconut plantation. He was really useful. To whom he was really useful? To the owner as well as to the coconut plantation. He was well versed in agriculture and could understand the problems of workers. So he was well versed, means he is having a ability in that agriculture work. Who? The old man. And also he can understand the problems of workers, means if one worker will say that I cannot able to work this, so he will understand and he will help the another worker. If he will say that I cannot able to work in the afternoon, so in spite of that he will continue the work, and the work of that his work and another's work he is going to be finished off. Like that he will understand the problems of the workers. The petty thefts in the garden came to an end. The petty thefts, see, there is no man to look after that garden. After the arrival of this old man, what and all the changes were happening in that plantation and also in owner's life, right? What and all the changes were happening here? That the petty thefts in that garden came to an end. The small thefts, robberies were happening in that garden. It came to an end now. Why? Because the old man is looking after the garden. The income from the garden improved dramatically. What they are getting the income? If the petty thefts came to an end, the crops which were there in that garden, by that crops they can sell to the customers, so that they are getting the income. The income from that garden, which is improving dramatically, day by day they are improving the income. There was a perceptible change in the lifestyle of the owner. So there was a perceptible change. Perceptible means that can be visible. The change in the owners of that plantation, that can be visible, that can be noticeable, that his life has been completely changed. Why it was changed? Let us see here. The plantation expanded. Now what they are having the plantation, by getting the income, they are started buying the plantations from the others, so that it was expanding there. But the owner became lethargic and shield away from hard work. So let us see here, before the arrival of the old man, here the owner is also the worker. The owner is only look after the plantation. The owner of that garden, who is like a security to his own garden, he was working there. But after the arrival of the old man, he stopped working. He is not care about his garden, and he was busy with another activities here, so that the owner became lethargic, the owner became lazy, the owner became inactive, and also shield away, means he started avoiding to come to the plantation. He doesn't like to go to the plantation. Shield away from hard work. By doing the hard work, he is not agreeing to do that. He is disliking to do that. He is avoiding to do that. For that, the changes which were happening in the owner's life, by that his wife, whose wife here? The owners of that plantation, the owner's wife. The owner's wife found all this very strange. She was thinking that it is in a strange manner. She was in a shock that my husband, who is a hard worker, now he is not working hard. He is not look after his garden. He is not doing his own job. So that she was in that strain. She found it hard to decide whether the old man's arrival for the better or for the worse. Now she cannot able to decided that why the old man has been came to our garden. He came for our good or he came for our bad. He came for our better or he came for our worse. So she cannot able to decide that. Her husband's wealth and social prestige had risen higher. But in spite of all these, maybe she is in a confusion that, but still her husband's wealth, the income was dramatically improving. The social prestige or position had risen because before he is working in the garden from morning till evening, he is not having his own friends. His position were not known to the others. Now when the income was getting more, he was getting known to the others. So his position was in a higher. So that he acquired a number of friends in the next town and an equal number in his own village. For that reason, he started making friendship from the another next towns or next villages and the equal numbers in his own village. He started making the friends. Even though he had precious little to do, his life became crowded with colorful events. Not only he making the friendships, as he is getting the income, with that income he started, he was built himself in different colorful events. Means he was busy in different another events, different another jobs here. She became apprehensive. Who became? Owner's wife. She became apprehensive. Apprehensive means she was in fear. She was become nervous. She is afraid about his adultery and umpteen other voices. As the things that the improvements which was happening, the new things, the new jobs what he was doing here, as he became lazy, he is not working in his plantation with all the other activities what he is getting in his life. For that she was in nervous. She was afraid of his husband's adultery, means different affairs, different works, different events, and umpteen other vices, and the umpteen, countless, which she cannot able to count, in which job he was, in where he was doing, what he was doing there, in which activity he was busy there. Instead of going to the plantation, by his income he was with his colorful events. It cultivated lately thanks to his newly acquired clout. All these things has been cultivated lately in his husband's life. Why? Because before the arrival of the old man, he was busy in the plantation. Now he acquired a new clout. Clout means he is in a power now. Because of his income, because of his position, because of his status, he was in a power. He is in a position now. By that position, he acquired the new colorful events in his life. Their farm, which was merely 10 acres, had grown beyond their imagination. When they started working, before the arrival of the old man, they are having the coconut plantation is only 10 acres of land. After the income was dramatically improved, the land is also expanded. The plantation is also expanded. That was fine. But their life was also gradually getting out of hand. But their life, husband's life, was not in their control. He was like a uncontrolled now. He is not in a control. He is busy with the different activities. Maybe we can say here as a different bad activities, the colorful events in his life. So that he became lethargic and chilled away in hard work. So what to do now? So very, very important question here, that after the arrival of the old man, how the owner's life has been changed, or we can say here how the owner's life was changed after the arrival of the old man. So these are all the changes which was happened in owner's life. By seeing owner's life, the new acquired things what he has been adopted in his life, by that the owner's wife was in nervous. She was in a fear or in a afraid that maybe he is getting out from their hands. So what they are going to be do now? See here. When she was in a fix, when she was in a fix means in a fix, as it is a idiom here, which means when she is in a dilemma, or we can say when she is in a dangerous situation or a difficult situation. What situation here? Whether the old man's arrival is for our good or bad, or here we can say when she is in that difficult situation, my husband is out of control now. When she was thinking about that, one day the old man met her. One day the old man went and met the owner's wife and behaved as though he knew all about her plight. What she is having that mess, what she is having that trouble, her plight, her trouble. He know that after maybe my arrival is bad for them, but still they are improving their income. He thought that it will be a good for them, but here, as she is in her plight, as she is in the trouble, he went and met her and behaved that he didn't know all those things. He smiled at her and brought down an offering of tender coconuts from a nearby tree. As she is in a plantation, at that time he went and met her and he offered a tender coconut to her to drink the coconut water there, and he sat on the embankment of the well. Where he sat? He sat on the embankment. Embankment means, as we know, the edges of the well, the edges, the shore, the sides of the well. On that stone he sat. As she is also in the garden, there is no place to sit. For that, what she did here, she had no alternative and she sat next to him. She is not having any alternative to sit some other places. As she is not having any alternative, she also sat beside to the old man on the embankment of the well itself. At that time, it was evening. The sun was slipping away into the western horizon. As we know that the sun will rise in the east, but the sun will set in the west. So the sun was slipping away. Slip away refers to which is departing, or the sun which is leaving very quietly, or the sun is saying goodbye to us. Means generally we can say here the sunset, which is in evening time, where it is slipping away into the western horizon, the direction of the west, which means the sun is going to be set in the western direction. His rays, whose rays? The sun rays were reaching the walls of the well through the foliage of coconut, mango and jackfruit trees. See what happens here. The sun which is going to be set down, right? So the rays of the sun which is reaching on the walls of the well through the foliage. Foliage means it is like a shadow. What shadow here? The shadow of coconut, mango and jackfruit trees. In the trees, maybe the leaves are there, flowers will be there, fruits will be there, right? So all these mango tree, coconut tree and jackfruit trees, the sun is making the rays towards those trees. The rays shadow, the shadow will be on the embankment of the well, as they are sitting in a shadow of these trees. Who? The owner's wife along with the old man. As he know that what was her plight, what she is in a trouble, to talk to her, now he is sitting there. The old man began his narrative. Now the old man started a story. The old man started a story to the owner's wife. So till here, what we have discussed means, in the beginning, first statement only I said that elaboration which can be impoverished. As he started elaborating a story, till here he made a story about the old man, the chance encounter which he got in the coconut plantation which is located in Chennarayapatna. About the old man, he said after the arrival of the old man, how the owner's life was changed, and when it was changing, how the owner's wife was in trouble, how the owner's wife was in a nervous, as she is in a nervous, now the old man is only went and talking to her with another story, means he is not elaborating the story. By that story, what he is doing here, he is adding the another information, he is adding the another story here with the one story. So what is that another story he is going to be start here? So let us see in the next class. So till here, the very 4-mark important question, that how did the owner's life was changed after the arrival of the old man. That is a very important question for 4 marks. Okay. So related to today's topic, so here I am sending you 5 questions which is for 1 mark questions. So write the answer for these questions which is for 1 mark in your homework book. I hope that you have got 100 pages of homework book, that already you are writing your tests and all, right? So in that write these 5 questions. So take the pictures of your answer and send it back to me to my WhatsApp number. Okay. If you are having any confusions, if you are having any doubts regarding today's topic, you can text me or you can call me or you can comment me on my YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you one and all.